How to implement OAuth or JWT Python APIs. Imagine building a web service where only authorized users can access sensitive data. Securing your Python APIs might seem tricky, but with OAuth and JSON Web Tokens, it becomes straightforward. Let's explore how you can do this step by step. First, understand that OAuth is a way for third-party apps to get limited access without sharing passwords. OAuth 2 is the most common version used today. JSON Web Tokens are compact tokens that carry user info securely and are easy to send over the web. They are often used for authentication and authorization in APIs. To implement JWT in your Python API, you can use a library called JWT. Start by creating a payload that includes claims like user ID or roles. Then, sign this payload with a secret key using an algorithm like HS256. When a user logs in, your server validates credentials and issues a JWT. The client then includes this token in the authorization header of subsequent requests. Your server decodes and verifies the token before granting access. For OAuth 2, you can use libraries like OAuthLib and requests. First, register your app with an OAuth 2 provider to get a client ID and secret. Use OAuthLib's web application client to generate an authorization URL. Redirect users to this URL for login and consent. After they approve, you receive an authorization code. Exchange this code for an access token by making a request to the provider's token endpoint. Use the token to access protected resources. When working with Python frameworks like FastAPI or Flask, you can integrate JWT or OAuth 2 easily with built-in utilities or extensions. For example, FastAPI supports OAuth 2 password flow and JWT tokens out of the box. To create a JWT, install JWT with pip, then import JWT. Define your payload with user info, set your secret key, and encode the token. To verify, decode the token with the same secret. For OAuth 2, set up your client with your credentials, generate authorization URL, and handle token exchanges. Remember to keep your secret keys secure, use short-lived tokens, and handle token refreshes carefully. Always validate tokens on each request to prevent unauthorized access. By following these steps, you can add a strong layer of security to your Python REST APIs, making sure only authorized users can access your data. Whether you choose JWT for quick token-based authentication or OAuth 2 for delegated access, both methods are essential tools in modern web development.